Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's full LED headlights, the black roof, tinted rear windows, and also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features including lane positioning assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 8-speed automatic 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. The car's done under 11,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.